this is Marilyn Zeng from Baolida Greenhouse. Today we are going to show you a flower greenhouse project located in China. Follow me, let's see what equipment they got from us. As you can see, there are many sets of rolling benches here. It's also called seedbed. The mobile grade seedbed is a new type of nurse facility, which consists of a basic structure, rolling device, aluminum alloy frame, bed net accessories, and so on. Its main features are reasonable structure and flexible operation. The seedbed has a reasonable structure and is equipped with an anti-turning limit device, which facilitates manual operation and reduces labor intensity. It can increase the use area of the greenhouse. The seedbed can be moved flexibly, making full use of the greenhouse space and increasing the use of area of this greenhouse. Seeding trees come in a variety of sizes and shapes to meet different breeding needs. This flower is also called a begonia flower. Now the seeding has been raised and it can be transplanted into the soil. Very beautiful. One seeding tree can cultivate many flowers, and you see they are growing well. Manual roller device, convenient and quick to use, easy to operate. Greenhouse suspended sprinkle irrigation is an efficient and water-saving irrigation method, which consists of water source, power device, water pipeline, nozzle working mechanism, and other components. Its working principle is the water pump extracts water from the water source and transports it to the sprinkle head through the water pipe. The sprinkle head spreads the water on the crops in the form of mist or rain. Greenhouse suspended mobile sprinkle irrigation is widely used for irrigation of greenhouse vegetables, flowers, fruits, and other crops. Now comes to our climate control system. A complete climate control system consists of indoor sensors, weather stations, climate controllers, data displays, control centers, video surveillance, and digital management software. All systems complement each other and work together to complete the greenhouse climate control. The 5-element sensor is a multi-parameter integrated sensor. It integrates 5 parameters of air temperature, air humidity, light, soil temperature, and the soil humidity. This is weather station. The meteorologic monitoring station is installed on the top of the greenhouse to collect outdoor meteorologic data and provide data support for the greenhouse climate control. Only one set of meteorologic monitoring station is required in one park. Now comes to the water and the fertilizer system. The water system includes water source pretreatment system, fertilizer system, and the backwater disinfection system. This is a controller cabinet of the water system. You can control all functions from here. Now this is Chinese label on the panel because this is in China. For foreign clients, we provide English label. This acid conditioner and this is fertilizer applicator. The two at the back are buckets for storing fertilizer. These 5 barrels contain different fertilizers A, B, C, B, and acid. And that is the water tank to save water.